Hey, happy Friday, everybody. This is Jim Hanson, Guild Mortgage, and this is your Friday edition of Mortgage, Real Estate, and Life. So we're going to start out with life here. So this is life. I got my wifey here, Wilma. Say hi, babe.
Hi, everyone.
And we are out here for the life part of this video, the TNT Fireworks booth out here on Northgate Boulevard, supporting Love Inc. Look at Wilma. She's got her TNT shirt on. She knows everything about fireworks. Anyway, that's our live project. We're serving out here. And then, so what I'm going to just kind of do next is, oh, you got a customer? Okay. I'm going to talk a little bit about mortgage, a little bit about real estate, and then we'll be done. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Mortgage, with the little increase in interest rates, we've got some options, some buy down, some permanent buy down options, some temporary buy down options that are coming back into the market, where you can buy your market rate down 1%, 2%, or 3%. So at the end, I'll give you my phone number, so if you have any more questions about buy downs, how they work, I can tell you. And then real estate part, most of my real estate partners experience a lot of listing activity, which is going to be good for those buyers out there that were edged out, a few months ago, or got tired. And so keep your chin up, smile, be happy, and happy 4th of July. Again, Jim Hanson here, Guild Mortgage, 916-730-4402, jimhanson.net on the web, and have a super awesome, safe 4th. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Say bye, honey.
Bye. Thank you.